The Mini Pet Pals are coming to the big screen with a new and extraordinary adventure in the mysterious shady forest. Here they meet the swallow Giuseppina. She has just fallen, and they teach her how to fly. Between the roots in the forest, they discover the gnomes, who tell them the amazing legend of the trees that lose their leaves. Then they have to answer the spotted trees riddles. But surely you can give them a hand. And there is the astonishing Top Hat Circus. Mini Pet Pals, the 4 seasons. The first experience at the movie theater where you can't help but sing and dance together with the Mini Pet Pals.